Microbiology is the study of organisms invisible to our naked eye. This branch of science explains the structure, nature, distribution, classification, occurrence, physiology, pathogenicity, and application of microbes. This unit deals with the introduction, general accounts, distribution, and classification of microbes and also about the soil, water and food microbiology. After reading this unit one is able to know about microorganisms. Learn the variety of microorganisms which occur in the environment surrounding us. Understand the existence of minute organisms and realize that these microscopic organisms are living and perpetuate themselves by reproduction. Discuss the distinct group of microbes which differ in form and other characters but resemble with each other in their small size and simple structure. Study the systematic position and distribution of microorganisms. Microbiology is the study of organisms too small to be clearly seen by the unaided eye. Since objects less than about 1 mm in diameter cannot be clearly seen and must be examined with a microscope, such living objects are collectively referred as microorganisms or microbes. Therefore, microbiology is defined as the study of microorganisms. A variety of organisms like bacteria, protozoa, viruses, fungi and algae are included in this category. Regarding the place of microorganisms in the living organisms, satisfactory criteria were unavailable until late 1940, when more definite observation of internal cell structure was made possible with the aid of the powerful magnification provided by electron microscope. Two cell types were discovered among these microorganisms. In some organisms the cells contained nuclear substance which was not enclosed by a nuclear membrane, while in others, a well-defined nucleus with a nuclear membrane was present. These two patterns were called prokaryotic and eukaryotic respectively. According to these special features of microorganisms, bacteria are prokaryotic and fungi, algae and protozoa are eukaryotic. Viruses are left out of this criteria as they are acellular organisms. Thus microbiology includes 5 major branches, namely, virology, bacteriology, phycology, mycology, and protozoology. Antony van Leeuwenhoek (1632–1723) was the first who studied in detail the microbial content of a variety of natural substances under the microscope. The various natural substances studied by Leeuwenhoek were water from rain barrels, rivers, wells, sea, teeth scrapings and naturally fermented material like vinegar. His observations were confirmed by others, but only in 19th century, the extent and nature of microbial forms became more apparent. Microbes are either unicellular or multicellular or non-cellular forms. Protozoa, bacteria and some algae and fungi are unicellular forms and are made up of single cells. While most of the algae and fungi are multicellular forms. Viruses lack a cellular structure and hence they are non-cellular particles and occupy a borderline between living and non-living things. Based upon the presence or absence of nuclear membrane, microbes are of two types, namely prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotes have incipient nucleus which is suspended in the cytoplasm. This includes bacteria. The microbes such as protozoa, algae and fungi are eukaryote which contain a nucleus, with a nuclear membrane and as well separated from the cytoplasm.